Thank you, Jeannie. Good afternoon, everyone. Now that we have seen about the VPHIS business process, after the final meeting of the customer, salesperson and the manager, there are some more activities which are to be known, like the project management, financial management, sales and support management. Coming to the project management, the interior designer acts as a project manager who has to take care of few things like project planning and estimating the time of the renovation, and he has to select, manage and monitor the subcontractors to make the renovation works, and he also has to generate the progress reports which are related to the renovation works, and then he has to take the customer once or twice to the place of the renovation to make sure that all the renovations are going on correctly. And then coming to the financial management, the BPHIS system deals with the financial things of the customer. The customer has to provide a statement about his financial status, or the BPHIS can send a letter to the bank which is related to the customer. And then coming to the sales and support management, they will be generating the reports which are related to the sales and revenue of the business, and also they will be giving the advertisements about BPH system in the local newspapers. And one more thing, like they are going to do some presentations in the local hotels to tell what all facilities they have in the BPH system. And now there are also some problems involved in the system which are like the BPHIS system is operated manually, so that there is a lot of work. Because of this manual process, it is slow, which means that the interior designer is taking a lot of time to do his plans and for the implementation. And also there is the reports generation is inaccurate, and sometimes it is irregular. And the other problem is like there is differences between the customer's perspective and the designer's perspective, which makes a misunderstanding between the customer and the interior designer. Because of all these reasons, there are many complaints coming to the BPH system, and because of this complaints, there may be a reduce the sales of the business, which is a drawback to the business. And now my friend Arun will continue the remaining things. Thank you.